Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you guys my newest juicer. If you recall, some years ago I did a review or a demonstration on a juicer that I had. It was kind of big and bulky. It had a lot of foam when you juice certain fruits and vegetables. And I recently bought a new juicer, which I absolutely love. This one is more compact, and I'm going to show you guys how I use it. So let's get into it. I'm desperate to see how much this watermelon weighs, so let me see if I can let me see if it's going to, oh shoot, 26.4 pounds. Okay, 26.4 pounds of greatness. Great. Okay, so I just finished recording a video on my newest cutting board, so I already have my watermelon cut a little bit. I'm just going to take out this Keurig so I can have more space to show you guys how to hook it up. Okay, so first of all, I didn't even notice that the juicer had this little cord keeper underneath it, which is pretty nifty. Didn't even know it. So this is the juicer. It's called Jocuu. Jocuu. However you want to pronounce it. So these are the pieces. Now it looks intimidating. That's only because I store it a certain way. It's not that bad. So, first, you want to put this on. It has some arrows on this side that shows you to lock and unlock. So, lock it in, sturdy. Then, you're going to put the drill, or the, what do you call this, grinder. So you're going to put the grinder in that space all the way in. Then you're going to put the strainer over that. Then you're going to put the top on, which also has a groove. So that way. And it's all ready. Now this is just like a catcher to use to catch extra fruits that you have that's going in the chamber. So you just put it like this, or you can put it like that, it doesn't matter. And I'm gonna plug it up. 0, soft, hard, and reverse. I'm wanting to do watermelon and cucumber. The thing is, with this juicer, you can add the skin, the seeds, the rind, the sticker. It's going to separate all of that. It's not going to get any of that in the actual juice chamber. So that's pretty cool. For watermelon, I would want to use it on soft because it is a softer fruit. For a cucumber, because of the rind, I would put it on hard just because it gives an extra rind to it. So the small container is for your juice. Goes up to 700 mLs. 24 ounces. And you want to put that under here. Now, this is the container that collects all of the rind, the seeds, the extra stuff that you don't want in your juice. So, put that under here. And since I was already cutting up some watermelon, I'm going to start with that. So, I'm just going to chop some pieces here. And I'm going to show you how we do. So I may have to do a voiceover because you may not be able to hear me if I'm talking over this grinder. It's not that loud, but I'm gonna turn it on soft. Okay, really quick. If I were to pack the chamber with fruits or vegetables, I use this plunger to kind of push it and force it down into the grinder, which is going to juice the fruits and vegetables here. So this is kind of acting as like a forcer. Look at that. I did not mean to do that. Yeah, I accidentally dropped a piece of watermelon in the cup. Okay. As you can see, as you can see, I'm putting seeds and all that inside, and it's filtering it out. I think I had another piece of watermelon in there that broke off. Yep. Okay. So far, got almost 300 mLs, 250, 300 mLs of juice, minimal foam. This is the gunk. All the seeds filtered out. Now I'm going to move on to the cucumber. So I'm going to put watermelon here. Okay. Salt. That's the piece of watermelon that was stuck in there. Came out eventually. There we go. Okay. This is from 1 cucumber. Let's give it a go. Wow, it's actually really good. It's a good combination. Tastes very fresh, very hydrating. Anyway, guys, this juicer is so much better than the one that I previously had. I enjoyed this one, and this is what the container looks like. Usually when I juice a lot, it's filled to the top and it comes out in little curls. You can't really tell because this fruit is a bit wet, more wet than the other fruits. Like when I do oranges, the peel of the oranges or the lemons will come out in little, like, look like Cheeto puffs. So this is the waste bin. You can take all your extras, throw this away. I'm gonna start off by unplugging it. Then take the lid off. Take the front off counterclockwise. It's gonna have a lot of gunk and stuff built in here. So yeah, you have to soak this to get everything out. Then the chamber. The chamber is the biggest headache because the strainer is so tiny and fine that the juicer actually comes with a small toothbrush that you can use to get all the extra gunk that's built in here, so it won't stain or anything. It takes some time to actually clean this, but if you use the toothbrush, it does work. I lost mine, so I just have to get a replacement type of kitchen toothbrush to clean it. I soak it really well. Then I'm gonna take out the grinder, soak that. Then there's a button here that you can press to release this. So you push the button, turn it, that's done. And then you're just left with this. So you just have to wash off the main piece of the juicer, wipe it down with warm water. Now that I know it has a cord keeper, you can wrap it up under here and store it away. Now for my strainer, I like to keep it in a plastic baggie just so it doesn't rust or get exposed to the air. So the other plastic pieces I just keep in a plastic bin like this and just put it under the cabinet. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching me juice and make a mess in my kitchen after I just cleaned up. So if you excuse me, I'm going to clean all this up, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your evening. If you want to look into this juicer, I got it from Amazon. I forgot how much it was, but I'll be sure to look it up and let you guys know. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.